Tom sets up for the first wood pigeon. That's a perfect shot. Beautiful shot, Thomas. Very good. Well, we're right here on the farm again. We've just pulled up and Tom's had a cracking shot on a wood pigeon, so I'm just going to go and pick it up for him. I was just sat up in this tree, dropped down on the field in it. And I think we're going to have a go on the crows, because I don't know if you can see that, but all along there, there's hundreds of them, all flying over here. Should be good. But here's Tom's bird then. From the angle that he was at, it looked like a headshot. Yeah, very nice. Well done, Tom. Let's get to work. Should be a good day. There's a lot of birds around. We're going to start off with the air rifles, clear the sheds of the feral pigeons, and then have a go on these crows. It's a little bit damp today, so waterproof's on. I'm going to be filming with a little Sony on top of my gun today. It's got a weird stabiliser, so when you take a shot it shakes around a bit, which is annoying, but it's going to be a bit wet, so I don't want to get the DSLR soaking. Well, we're just entering the sheds now, and there's quite a few pigeons. I don't know if you can see them up on the rafters there. So all the plan is to do is just for me and Tom to shoot as many white pigeons as we can. We just set the camera up and just shoot away.
Oh, I missed.
I tend to do most of the calling, so
that one's got a ring on it, Tom.
Count down from 3, 2, 1 and then we fire. We get it fairly well most of the time.
3, 2, 1. Free for all, go. You reloading? I'll go far end, and then you go closest one on the bottom of the order. 3, 2, 1. Nice.
He's using the BSA Super 10.
Ready?
Both 177 guns that we're using. I'm using my HW100. And Tom's got the MTC Viper Connect on top of his gun, so a really nice optic.
Yeah.
Lets in tons of light, so ideal for in the darker barns like here.
I'll go for this close one. 3, 2, 1. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
The guns are performing really well.
Okay. I'll go left, you go right.
We're starting to get the hang of it. We're only shooting the birds on the girders because the roofs are pretty thin. We don't want to put pellets through them.
I think we shot the same one. Which one have you got? I'll go far end, then you go closest one on the bottom girder.
That's the great thing about having the camera mounted to the gun.
1.
It's just one less thing to think about.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1.
That one flew off, but dropped just off camera in the shed next door.
Right. 3, 2, 1. Just drop it. I'll go for the white, you go black and white. Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
We're working pretty well as a team and dropping a fair number of birds in quite a short space of time.
I'll just finish him off.
I was going for a follow-up shot with this one, but he just dropped.
Yeah, you go for that one, I'll go for the far one. One set. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Quite a nice longer range shot there. Well, there's the option, so if there's a close one and one further away, Tom tends to go for the close ones, just because he's a little bit newer to the air rifles. He's a master of the shotguns, but is still working on the trajectory map of his new BSA Super.
On the girders over there. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. I'll go for the white, you go black and white. 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
There's 2 on the girders over there. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. I'll go for the left one. 3, 2, 1.
It's nice having all the structures on the farm. You just got natural rests everywhere.
Yeah. No, I'm gonna shoot the cow.
very good, very good.
So we're just working down the shed, shooting the pigeons from close to far.
3, 2, 1. I've had nice cocked to the rifle. I'll go for that one before it gets out. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
I will add that all of these birds aren't going to waste. They get fed to birds of prey and other predators at a local petting zoo type thing. So we're only really shooting the ones with solid backstops on the girders. Don't want to put holes in the roof. So there's quite a few crows on that line. So we may well deviate from the pigeons and have a shot at a crow. This one's about 48 yards. No messing there.
Got one. Well, we've killed quite a few from in here. I just had a really nice long range rook off the telegraph wire. And there's a few more pigeons down that end, so I think we're just going to head down there now, see if we can shoot a couple more, and then we'll head off and focus our attention on the crows, I think. Give the pigeons a chance to come back in.
Really long range on there, I was happy with that. Whole length of the shed.
Not sure. So we've had 25 feral pigeons, no 24 feral pigeons and 3 crows and rooks off the telegraph wire, so we're going to get the shotguns out now. Unfortunately I dropped my GoPro and smashed it, so that's not ideal, but hopefully I'll be able to get it fixed pretty easily. There's actually condensation in there as well. Yeah, we'll see. So yeah, thanks for watching. The next video is going to be us tackling the crows with the shotguns. Yeah, it was a great day out. Thanks for having me, Tom.